without any
Keshav Rao,
compromise.
the
I am not
CVC
condoning
estimates that
anything
there's a
that has
scam
gone
of
wrong.
8,000 crore rupees. The CVC estimates there's a scam of at least 8,000 crore rupees. I don't know which nation you're speaking about. That's not something we are very proud about, Mr. Rao.
No. I have understood. That is what I am telling you. Give me at least 2 days time. Take 2 days time. I tell you, I was talking today to Gutta, our own Shuttlecock, the badminton player. She was telling me with the tears in her eyes. Look, even as I was playing on the ground, I had all this kind of a news tagging me to somebody else's names. Now, why I am trying to tell you, I would not like to join and say it is a media trial, but nonetheless, 2005 back, to be precise, 399, even Socrates talked about this. What I am trying to tell you, what you are trying to bring to the people's notice is commendable, but this has its own timing, it has its own space. I am telling you this, nobody should be spared. Nobody should run away from this. Everybody should be brought to book. Now, I am answering Vijay now.
That's
Who
what
should
we
do
want.
it? One of the highest authorities. Who is that authority? Now, let him know, because he is a parliamentarian. Any authority, any probe is a parliament which is accountable to parliament. Any day you can step in, Mr. Vijay, to say something has gone wrong. So, even if I am putting you, yes, what is it?
Mr. Tarun Vijay, we're seeing the Congress demand that there 3 months. Give us 3 months. The CVC is investigating it. Give us 3 months. Nobody will get away. Till then, they want this crusade. You know, headlines today began this crusade. Others picked it up. They want this crusade to end, saying, give us 3 months. Let the investigators do their job. Do not come up with any more exposes. Do you believe that's a realistic demand? Would you accept that, Mr. Tarun Vijay? You've been a journalist yourself.
Rahul, that's exactly what the Congress had been doing since the day
Certainly not.
India got independence. The first thing that in 1947, when the soldiers were fighting the Kashmir attackers from Pakistan, we had no jeeps. Pandit Nehru ordered jeeps, and first Ghotala of India was jeep scandal in 1947. So nobody was probed. They established an inquiry commission, but nothing came out of it. 62 fiasco, then Nagarwala, then Bofors, then submarines. I mean, they are very expert in
so your concern is if the heat,
that's what they want to say.
If the heat goes away, the culprits will get away. Harinder Bavej, I want to come down because it was our investigation, our exposés before the Commonwealth Games that really brought this issue into limelight. And now we're seeing, it's the question about the plug points that tripped him off. I just checked with the engineering department. Apparently, the best plug points in the market cost 35 rupees, the 6 ampere plug points. If they're imported, they cost about 100 bucks. Over here, they've been bought for 2,701 rupees in one particular cluster. These are expenses which simply make no sense.
Absolutely. The corruption is detailed here, Rahul. We have the documents. We have the contracts that the organizing committee signed with various contractors. And mind you, we're talking about international contractors. But what the contractors then did, they got in touch with Indian suppliers and look at the costs. The costs of hiring a simple air conditioner, and we're talking now specifically about a 2-ton AC. I mean, we can put the pictures up on the screen. Those pictures are
up on the screen at this time. I just want to quickly take our viewers through what happened with this AC. They put up these really old ACs. Someone in the organizing committee complained to this company called Nusli, saying that the ACs are old. People came to fix the ACs. They changed the facade. They put a new cover in. What remained inside stayed the same old AC. So basically, these ACs are being hired. They're being hired for very high rates, at rates at which you can buy these ACs. And these guys are coming up and giving old equipment, Shami.
Absolutely. And we have the entire rate list, so we can actually detail any number of items and the extremely escalated costs, Rahul. We've shown our viewers, the dilapidated condition of the ACs. There are pedestal fans now right up on the screen. And can you believe it? There are internal emails saying that the pedestal fan will not even be able to withstand a light breeze. And in one of the pictures you can see there's a brick lying